thank you all for tuning in to our 13th annual Christmas countdown. We got a ton of surprises and special guests, but for now, let's start the countdown for our man in red, the wonderful, joyful saint, Santa Claus.
We'll be right back, America. And now, a word from our sponsors.
Time to go to bed. Unplug the TV, please.
Please. 5 more minutes. The special's almost done.
Christmas is a time to celebrate our one and only God the Father. Join us tonight as our carolers give our town love and God's true light. Call this number and join our service today.
Adam, come brush your teeth, now.
He's here, he's there, he's everywhere. Introducing Asmodeus the Elf here, to make sure you're not on the naughty list. Our little helper is here to stay your best friend. Asmodeus the Elf, the posable pal for your winter season.
Each soul sold separately.
What are you still doing up?
Oh, no. I was just...
Do you want Santa to find you? Bed. Now.
Oh, a letter. Why, what a surprise. Great-Grandma McBlizzard has left a clue for the Great Christmas Scavenger Hunt. This all sounds so exciting. This must be it, and just in time for Christmas too.
Mom, can I please open that one up now?
Okay.
Mom! Mom!